Welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be making a coat hanger. So I'm just going to go ahead, turn on the screencast keys here for you. You can take the cube if you want to, but I'm going to delete it. We're going to go add cylinder, scale it up, and then shrink it down again. Scale up a little bit and then just bring it back. Press G, get it onto that central line right there. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go Shift D, bring it down. I'm going to squish it down actually. Press G, bring that up. Scale it down on this side. Scale it outwards. Scale it down again. And then we're just going to go G, place it at the bottom. And now if we go into edit mode, we can go to the top right here, just bring G, bring it down, E for extrude, and I'm just going to scale this in a little bit. E for extrude, scale inwards, E for extrude, scale inwards, E for extrude, and then scale inwards. So it's going to be like one of those kind of posh coat stands. I'm just going to go E for extrude again. I'm going to press G just to make that there. E for extrude, scale it outwards, E for extrude, scale outwards, E for extrude. So this is going to be your umbrella, the base of your umbrella stand. Just scale it outwards. Make sure that you are just scaling randomly, not on one plane. E for extrude, E for extrude again. We're just going to scale this inwards, E for extrude, scale it inwards, E for extrude, just bring it down, scale it in, E for extrude, and then we're just going to follow the contours, the curves of our original shape on the outside. So you should have something like this, little cone at the bottom. So now we can just shade these smooth, just right click, shade smooth. So you've got your base of your coat stand right here. I'm just going to go ahead and just press G just to move this up a little bit. And then what we want to do is I'm actually going to duplicate this cylinder, turn it and rotate it to 90 degrees, scale it down a little, place it onto the main pole of your coat stand, press G, bring it up. We're going to do one of those kind of like postmodern kind of coat stands. So you can scale this outwards a little bit if you need to. Press G again. Shift D. Keep it where it is. R for rotate, and then we're just going to press 90 on the number pad. So now we have this kind of pattern. Now from here, we can go ahead and we can take Shift D again, just move it to the side, just scale it up a little bit, and scale it down on one axis. And then we're going to go ahead and press G, just move it to the side right there, so you got kind of a hook going on. Shift D, do the same to the other side. And now we're going to click this one, and we're going to click this one. Shift D, keep it where it is, and then R for rotate on the Z axis, and we're just going to press 90, and it should align straight up with the other side. Now it doesn't align, just press G, just move it across, let's get it nice and central. So that's your basic kind of stand. With this part here, you can edit it to have a few little things going on. So let's go with edit mode. Just select the top ring right here. And in theory you could just go E for extrude and just bring it up a little bit. And this is your umbrella stand. And that's your basic kind of coat stand for modelling or for an object just in the background, just chilling by itself. If you liked this tutorial, please subscribe, please follow, likes, all that kind of stuff. It really helps this channel out. I'm trying to grow up to 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. hopefully I can get to that goal. But yeah, okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.